Jay, andiyan ka pala. Bakit? May nangyari ba? May problema ba?
I'm sorry, Yuri. I'm sorry. Maniwala ka, sinubukan ko talaga.
Ano bang sinasabi mo?
Sorry. Sorry talaga.
Jay,
Pero si Kiefer talaga eh.
alam ko. Alam ko si Kiefer talaga. From the very start. Kagaya kay Ella, nagbaka sa kaalinan naman ako. But again, I'm wrong. Defeated by the same guy. I'm not stupid, Jay. I knew it already from the day you said yes to me. Hahawya is not lying when she said that she saw you and Kiefer. She just